Jai Hind and welcome to all students. Saraswati Siskunj, Bhopala, Mulsad, Standard 2nd, subject EVS, English medium, date 9 July 2020, day Thursday. Chapter number 6, KEEPING, keeping, HEALTHY, healthy, and CLEAN, clean. Keeping healthy and clean. Part 2. Okay, students, now tell me, what did we learn in part 1? Yes, we learned about the story about an old man who was 80 years old. Still he was very healthy, right? Because of his daily routine. Okay, we also learned about his daily routine. Then we learned the hard words of part 1. Then we learned about the difference between a fat boy and thin boy. Okay, why does thin boy healthy? Why does fat boy is not healthy? Okay. Then we learned about daily routine. We also learned about the simple rules of how to keep our body clean. Okay, students, now let's learn chapter number 6, keeping healthy and clean, part 2 with the hard words. Okay, first one is STICKY, sticky. Now students, tell me, what is the meaning of sticky? Sticky means, here the answer is given, ADHESIVE, adhesive. Okay. For example, if you eat chewing gum, okay, then throw somewhere, then what will happen? It will stuck on someone's leg, right? Okay. One more example, gum. We can also one more example is also fabric. So sticky means adhesive. Number 2, AROUND, around. Around is what? Around means our surrounding area. Okay. Number 3, ENVIRONMENT, environment. Environment means the SURROUNDINGS surroundings or CONDITIONS conditions in which a person, animal or plant lives. Okay. See again. The surroundings or conditions in which a person, animals or plants lives. Okay. The man, animals all live on the earth. Okay. So the environment means the surrounding or conditions in which a person, animal or plant lives. Number 4, SPREAD, spread. Okay. Spread means EXTEND, extend over a large, or increasing area. Okay. Spread means extend over a large or increasing area. For example, if you have the bottle of milk, then it will fall down. So what will happen? It will spread on a large or increasing. It will spread on a large area. Number 5, DISEASE, disease. Okay, disease means an abnormal, abnormal means not in good condition. Abnormal, condition. Okay, an abnormal condition. Abnormal condition is not in a good situation, not in a good condition of a part of insect. Insect means a small, S-M-A-L-L, small, C-R-E-A-T-U-R-E, creature means animals, right? Which has 6 or more than 6 legs. Okay? Listen again. A small creature, this small animal, which has 6 or more than 6 legs. Okay? For example, cockroaches, right? Butterfly, okay? Centipede. They have 6 or more than 6 legs. Now students, see this picture. What is this picture about? Yes, this is the picture about dairy milk and so many chocolates. Is your mouth watering for after seeing this picture? Yes. Children likes chocolates very much. But if you eat every day these types of chocolates, then what will happen? Yes, your teeth will get cavities. Okay? So don't eat chocolates every day. Okay? Students, if you eat chocolates every day, then what will happen? Let's see in this picture. Some foods such as chocolates are sticky and contain sugar. Can you tell me, student, how's the taste of chocolates? Yes, we can say sweet. Okay, chocolates are sweet in taste. So some foods such as chocolates. Okay, chocolates taste is sweet. So it is sticky and contains sugar. Why it's sweet? Because it contains sugar. Okay. Sugar tends to stick on the teeth. Okay. It sticks on your teeth. Okay. If you eat chocolates every day, then what will happen? It will stick on your teeth. Germs feed on the sugar and produce acid. Okay, now students, tell me, as I told you in Harvard's, that what is the meaning of germs? Germs means small living things that cannot be seen by naked eyes and they cause disease. Okay, so the germs feed on the sugar, means they get food from the sugar and produce acid. The acid makes cavities in the teeth. Okay, the acid makes cavities because of germs. Okay, you can see here. The acid makes cavities in the teeth. You can see here. There are cavities in the teeth. You can also if you have seen the advertise of Colgate, many toothpaste ads are there. In that you have seen cavities in teeth, right? Okay, students. Now tell me, what do germs cause? Yes, germs cause cavities. Okay, germs also spoil the gums, right? You can see in the picture. Okay. For that, what we have to do, if you want to take care of our teeth, then what we have to do? Yes, brushing your teeth regularly and rinsing your mouth after eating is the best way to protect your teeth and gums. Means you have to brush your teeth every day. Okay, after brushing your teeth, what you have to do? Rinse your mouth well. Rinse your mouth well. That is the best way to protect your teeth and gums. You can see your gums and teeth. Now students, see this picture. Okay, what can you see? Yes, there are trees, like there is a garden, there are dustbins, there is a river. So this is a natural scene. Okay, we can also say the clean environment. So students, tell me, do you like this environment, clean environment? Yes, everyone likes clean environment. Why? Because we get fresh air. Okay, we get clean environment. Okay, so everyone likes clean environment. Now see this picture. What can you see? Yes, there is a garbage near the houses. Okay, there is a garbage near the houses. So this is a dirty environment picture. No one would like this type of atmosphere. Okay, or we can say this type of dirty environment. Okay. No one would like this type of environment because it is dirty, right? So, students, for that what we have to do? We have to keep our environment clean. See here in this picture, what are they doing? They are cleaning the ground. To keep our environment clean, what we have to do? Let's see. To stay healthy, we must also live in a clean environment. Means if you want to be healthy, okay, if we want to stay healthy, then we must live in a clean environment. Environment is made up of all the things that are around us. Okay, as I told you, what is the meaning of environment? The things around us. Okay, environment is made up of all the things that are around us. Means trees, okay, rivers, all the things that are around us. Home environment is what is around us in our homes. As I told you, near around about our homes. Okay, so home environment is what is around our home, us in our homes. DIY, dirty homes attracts rats. Okay, which type of homes attracts rats, insects and germs? So the answer is dirty homes attracts rats, insects and germs. If your house is dirty, then it attracts the rats, insects and germs. Rats, insects and germs create disease. Okay, this type of insects like rats, insects and germs create diseases. Okay. Now students, let's check what did we learn in part 2. Okay. First one is germs feed sugar and produce blank. Okay. What do the germs produce? Yes, the answer is germs feed sugar and produce acid. Acid. Number 2. The acid makes cavities in blank. Okay. So the answer is the acid makes cavities in teeth. Number 3. Blank is made up of all the things that are around us. Okay, what is this definition about? Yes, this is the definition about environment. Okay, so environment is made up of all the things that are around us. Now students, question answer. Which food contains sugar? Yes, the answer is chocolate contains sugar. Number 2. What do germs produce? So the answer is germs produce acid. Number 3. What is the best way to protect your teeth? To protect your teeth. What is the best way? Yes, the answer is brushing your teeth and rinse your mouth well after brushing your teeth. Okay students, now tell me, what did we learn in part 2? Yes, we learned about the hard words of part 2, chapter number 6. We also learned in detail about how germs causes a disease. Okay, it harms our teeth and gums. We also learned in detail about environment. The definition